Hello everyone, my name is Carol and welcome aboard to Knitting on the Hook. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do the double E-wrap cast on. So let's get to it. Bring forward all your needles, making sure that the latches are open. Place the yarn between the first and the second needle and wrap it around the shaft of the first needle and bring it up between the second and the third needle. Lay the yarn on the hook of the first needle and push it back towards the B position so you can knit the stitch through. Place the yarn between the third and the fourth needle, lay it over the hook of the second needle, push it back towards the B position and knit the stitch through. And wrap it around the last needle and knit it through. Bring forward your needles back to E position. This is what the double E-wrap cast on looks like from the purl side. And this is what it looks like from the knit side. If you would like to see additional ways of casting on, you can click on the red subscribe button in the corner of the screen. It's going to take you straight to my channel where you can view my casting on playlist. Thank you for watching Knitting on a Hook. Bye for now.